Hello, people. Today we're doing a set I'm calling Ripple. It's a super easy and quick set of shorties. We're going to use these oval ones, and we're doing Beetles today. Starting off with this light green cat eye. If you can do stamping, it's a super easy set. You can be done with it pretty quick. I would say in maybe 20 minutes, give or take. First layer of cat eye, I'm not going to activate these. We're just going to put it on there and go with it as it is. Okay, we're going to cure that. Second coat. Now with the second coat, I'm going to activate it, and then I'm going to immediately put it into the lamp one by one. So basically, I'm just going to turn my lamp on and stick these in as I get them done. If you don't cure them fairly quickly after you've activated the little crystals or the little glitters or whatever they are in there, they will fall back down to the bottom, and then you won't have your cat eye effect. So don't let them sit around too long. I found that out the hard way, guys, as usual. Okay, once I got them activated, in they go. And we're just doing these two coats. Okay, here we go. As I said, I got to get the other one out of there first. One of these I had to do twice because I dropped it as I was getting ready to put it in the lamp, and of course that messed it all up. See, you can see polish there on my mat where I dropped. All right, moving on. Those are cured, and we're moving on to stamping. Okay, this is the plate I'm using. I've used this same plate before. The number is going to be in the description in case you couldn't see that. But we're going to use this kind of water ripple looking one right there. And this is regular stamping polish. This is not gel. Okay, we're going to get it on here, and we're going to scrape it gently but firmly. You don't want to scrape too hard because see how there's a couple of wide swaths of stuff on here. If you scrape too hard, you'll pull the polish out of there, and then your design won't be complete. Okay, picking it up, and there's our cat eye, and right on we go. You know what? I'm realizing I missed a step somehow of this. There was a layer on the cat eye of green jelly over the cat eye, and then we do the stamping. I don't know how I managed to miss that. Maybe I just didn't hit record. I don't know. I could have sworn I got all those, and I didn't even notice in my edit that I didn't have that on here. Anyway, you could go straight over the cat eye if you want. I know I did that layer of jelly just to brighten the green up a little bit. I don't know how I missed that. I'm sorry. It's been a week, you guys. As I'm recording this video, I'm trying to get it done quickly because I got to take my cat into the vet, to an emergency vet here in about an hour. So I'm just trying to get done. Okay, after we have stamped or picked up our design, we're going to stamp it right on, just kind of roll it. It will be on there. There it is. And we move on. Now the rest of these I'm going to speed up, clean it off with some acetone, reapply our polish, pick it up with the stamper, and on the nail it goes. Easy peasy. If you guys haven't tried stamping yet, you should give it a go. It's pretty fun. Once you get the hang of it, it's fun. Sometimes it can be frustrating. Okay. but when it's working, it's fun. Like I said, I think this set took me less than a half hour to do, and part of that was me experimenting with this because I wasn't sure the blue was going to show up over the green, but it did. Okay, they're all stamped up. There we go. I'm going to let those dry for about a minute. That's all we need. And then we're going in with our top coat. This is the normal tempered top coat that I use. Just so you're, in case you're wondering, the jelly color was a Beetles color, and it will be in the description as well. I still can't believe I missed that whole step. All right, and there they are, all cured up and done. As I said, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I like the way they came out. They're kind of cool. If you like them, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And um, forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, and I will upload new tutorials every Saturday. That's all I have for you this time, guys. Catch you next time. Bye bye.